Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie with bread. First, gather your ingredients, including soft bread, fresh apples, sugar, and spices. This unique method offers a delightful twist on a classic dessert, perfect for when you want something quick and comforting. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a delicious outcome that will impress everyone. To begin, choose about 8 to 10 slices of soft, white bread. Carefully trim off the crusts, then use a rolling pin to flatten each slice until it's thin and pliable. This creates a flexible base for your pie. Next, lightly brush one side of each flattened bread slice with melted butter. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful golden brown crust. Now, let's prepare the delicious apple filling. You'll need about 6 medium-sized apples, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. In a saucepan, combine the sliced apples with 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Cook this mixture over medium heat until the apples are slightly tender, then set it aside to cool completely. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake your pie. Arrange the buttered bread slices in a 9-inch pie dish, overlapping them to form a complete crust. Pour the cooled apple filling evenly over the bread base. For a top crust, you can add more buttered bread slices or a lattice design. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.